Hello there. By the end of this video, your WordPress website will be 2 to 5 times faster. First off, all you gotta do is to click plugins, then add a new plugin. Search for EWW Image Optimizer, then download, install, and activate it. What this plugin essentially does is minimizing the size of image files loaded on your WordPress website without quality loss. By compressing your image files, your website will be considerably faster. Now, head into your plugins and find EWW Image Optimizer. Click Settings. Under the Easy mode, enable Lazy Load. That is pretty much all the adjustments you gotta do with this plugin. Then, we only repeat the same process. Auto Optimize is the next plugin we need to install and activate. This plugin enables you to minimize the number of your CSS and JavaScript files loaded on your website. Now click Settings, check Optimize JavaScript Code, and make sure Aggregate JavaScript is also checked. Once that is taken care of, move on to the CSS section, check Optimize CSS Code, Aggregate CSS files, also aggregate inline CSS as well as inline all CSS. Give each one a check. Please do be sure to check Optimize HTML code. The HTML section is then followed by Miscellaneous. By default, the top 3 options are already checked. However, just a quick word of warning, this option in the middle might break your site or cause a conflict within your WordPress theme. Check it, and if it does break your site, simply come back here and disable Minify Excluded JS and CSS. That's all there is to it. There is one more plugin that can speed up your WordPress website exponentially. It is called Super Cache. Caching is a must for websites these days. In order to shed more light on the concept of caching, take a look at this cycle. When the user opens up your WordPress website, the browser sends a request to the server hosting the WordPress site. This server loads core files, themes, and active plugins. WordPress queries the database to fetch content. Then, this content is rendered in the form of an HTML for the end user so that the user can interact with your website. When caching is enabled, instead of generating the page dynamically each time, the server delivers a pre-generated static HTML version of the page. Now, enough theory, let's jump right into action. WP Super Cache is one of the best plugins that offers this exact same functionality out of the box. Install and activate it. Under the Easy tab, enable Caching On. Then, move on to the Advanced section, enable caching. As for cache delivery method, check Simple. Disable caching for logged-in users, compress pages so that they're served more quickly to visitors, cache rebuild, 304 browser caching can also facilitate the process, and the last but not least, extra homepage checks. Doing all this will speed up your WordPress website anywhere from 2 times to 5 times faster. That is all for today's tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.